I can tell you pretty much every boardroom conversation these days cannot end without some mention of AI. There is AI from the perspective of impact to how businesses are being planned, how they are adopting, and also the impact on people in general, because this is coming at a different level. How do you see the adoption of AI, just the terminology in general? I'm not talking about just demand planning or anything of that nature, the disruption that came over the last 3 years.
There's no way back. We need to embrace AI and use it the best possible. All our team are really open to this. I think the first thing is to be curious, is how can AI really help us in our day-to-day work? As you said, it's a long time we use AI or data model to build our forecast on some categories of product. But what is the next step? How AI can even be smarter than that and help us make a better choice. We have an idea, for example, one of next development will be to use AI to help us to allocate production of product. It's so complex. We have so many criteria to allocate production among our 40 different factories across Asia and Europe. Even with the current tools we have, it's difficult to make the right choice. Again, to have the right balance between capabilities, capacity, cost, and compliance. Can AI help us go faster and maybe replace the difficult process we have today to make a decision, I would say? This will be the next development we're going to do. I'm fascinated to learn how much time we can gain as well. We have quite a long product timeline. From design to delivery, it takes many weeks. Each time we can cut 1 week.
That's a big win.
It's a big deal.
Yeah.
So I will want AI to help us to cut weeks in the way we work. And this will be a big competitive advantage. And I'm telling my children, for me as a senior leader, it's like when I was 20 years old and email came out. It was a big breakthrough. Internet was just bubbling. So I feel the same now. We have AI. But you, the young generation, you have way more advanced on us. You can be even faster to use it. AI is not a threat at all. It's a tool for us to work better, curious, eager to learn from it. And we have a great team internally as well, data science team, which is really helping us to go through this transition.
I'm fascinated.